Take a ripe banana and carefully remove its peel. Make sure the fruit is in good condition, as this ensures the peels retain their nutrients. Once you've separated the peels, use a knife to cut them into small pieces. Then, place the peel pieces in a saucepan of water. Place the saucepan over medium heat and let the water boil for approximately 5 minutes. This process helps extract nutrients from the peels, such as potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Boiling water also helps eliminate any pesticide or chemical residue that may be present in the peels. When the time is up, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool. After straining, simply water your plants with this solution once a week. You'll notice how they begin to grow more vigorously, with greener leaves and more abundant flowers. This is because banana peels help improve soil structure, promoting a healthier environment for roots.